Daddy's here, I think, Goofy. What the heck? What did you get me?
Stuffs.
It's so cute.
Look.
You got roses.
All the ladies are like,
Daddy got you. What is that, Goofy? What is it, Mama?
There's two, you can't have both.
Yay! Let's see, Opie. Let's see what you got. She got scared.
Open it, both. Yeah, because she's gonna eat both.
Alright, you wanna just give me one? Hold on, Mama.
So, she's got
Wow! Cute!
and she's got this one.
Oh, their lips?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Which one should I give her?
Give her the smiley face now.
I won't give her the whole thing now.
Okay.
Here, Opie.
Oh, you get smiley
Oh
face.
my God.
They're hard?
Jeez, yeah. I'll give you the hearts, Opie.
Yay, baby! Happy Valentine's Day, Mama! So I'm gonna be trying something for the first time, and I just thought of it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I have all of these Bath & Body Works candles that I pretty much finished or burned as much as I could. So like they have like a small amount left, and whenever I light them, they just turn off because like the wicks are all the way at the bottom. So I'm gonna try cutting them into like little cubes or pieces and then saving it as like wax melts for my wax melter plug-in that I have. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try cutting all of these up, getting as much wax as I can, and then putting them into Ziplocs, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so here is the aftermath of the first candle. So I just broke up this one, 'Tis the Season, and it was actually really fun and like satisfying to like crack the wax like that. Just make sure that if you try this, you like use a box or tablecloth or something because it's messy. But yeah, I got a good amount of wax chunks here. So I'm just putting them in Ziplocs and I'm labeling them so that way I know which one they are. So yeah, this is the first one down. And now I got the rest to go. I just realized they're red, white, and blue. So I got 'Tis the Season. I had more of this one because I had 2 candles worth. I actually had 3 of these, but one smelled like complete smoke, so I didn't cut that one up and stuff. And then I had one of the black cherry merlots and one of the fresh sparkling snow. So now I got my 3 bags of wax melts. So this is my candle drawer. You probably can't see because it's dark, but I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 3-wick candles from Bath and Body Works. These are all the new spring scents. So I have these up front, and then this one I think is a spring scent too, maybe a winter. No, obviously it's a winter. It has the snowflake. And then this is a winter one too. So those I guess I'll use last or something, because I'm like sick of winter smells. I want spring smells already. And back there I have some Airwick fall scents, little 1-wick candles. My wax melts that I got on clearance at Walmart are there. Then I have like 3 of the, what are these even called? Lighters, whatever. I get mine from Christmas tree shops because they're super cheap. They're like $1 and they last really long. So I got 3 of those. I have some wallflowers here, White Barn matches in the back, and I have some flameless little lights, the tea lights, just in case I want to light them. So now I'm gonna add my wax melts right in the back here. Everything is all nice and put together. I'm excited to try them tomorrow.
Nice picture with the beach backdrop.
Oh yeah.
Should I take a portrait?